Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to provide required delegation or required access to particular group or user on particular group policy. Here you can see we are having two group policy, automatically created group policy, default domain control policy and default domain policy, and under the security filtering you can see we are having authenticated users. So whenever you create any group policy, this group is added automatically, and each and every user or computer that you are creating in the Active Directory, that is becoming member of that particular authenticated users group. Here you can see I did not add anything here, it was added automatically. And if I come here, before go there, let me show you, that is one of my user that is not member of any privileged group or any other group as well. And if we access the Active Directory, group policy by using this user account, we can see this can see the each and every group policy, meaning it is having read-only access to this group policy. Here I can type who am I. So that is my user who has logged into this particular computer and having read access, because we are having authenticated user under the security filtering. Now we will create another group policy where we will see that Tom will not be having read access to that particular group policy. No read access. I'm just giving random name. You should give correct name as per your company standard. Here I can see no read access GPO. If I go here, Tom is having access. Tom can see the settings, whatever we have applied here, right? But if I remove that authentic user from here, say it cannot see that particular group policy. And if you link that particular group policy somewhere else, it is not linked anywhere, that's why it was not showing. If you link, suppose you want to link this group policy here, link an existing GPO, no read access, okay. If you come here, see it is showing accessible and it is showing inaccessible. Here we cannot see what the name of the group policy is as well. So now if we want to give the access, how you can do, let's play with that as well. Okay. Now you will see both are showing inaccessible. So I want to give access, read access to Tom on this read access GPO. How can I do? You can see Tom is not showing here, but after giving the access, Tom will be here. Read access, only one box is selected. Tom is here showing read. If you come here, and then you will see the magic. Okay, that we are doing through the manual process, I would say. You can also use another way, like You can remove this user from here and you can add any group. uh, GPO read access. And you can add the required user under this group. The user that will be added in this group, that will be having read access to that particular group policy, that is called here read access GPO. You can add 10, 20,000 users, and that is also good practice because people keep on coming, keep on going. Then we need to provide the access again and revoke the access. So if you create one group with particular desired permissions, that will be good, and you can just add or remove the users from that particular group. That will make your life easy. And you can also make any user as a owner. For example, Tom, he can manage the membership of this particular group by himself, and there is no help required from any IT person. So we are not having access. Now we will do this by using group policy. Okay, this is my GPO name. This is my target type user, and this is my target name user, and this is the required access. So I am giving access to no read access group policy. No, that doesn't make sense. So we will give the access to read access GPO. That is not second line is not required. It's just to see if you want to. Otherwise, you can just ignore this line. You can run both the CMD lets in one go. Here we have given the permission, and you can here see the permission, what types of permission that group is user is having on that particular group policy. Okay, so now we can come here and we see the magic, right? Now we will do this through the group. We can just Tom is here, just remove the Tom from here, and you will see again access has been lost. Now we will do this through the group. This was the name. Okay, G underscore HR. Okay, so we'll have to add that user in this group, Tom, otherwise it will not work. So G underscore HR, name of my policy will be changed. So that is just example. Your group policy name will be different, your group name will be different, your permission may be different. So here I can just run this. Something has happened. Read access GPO. Okay, no problem. Okay, now see, I can see the group policy. If you are not able to see, please log off and log in and then try again. You will be having read access to particular group policy. Here you can see nothing is added, but you will see this group. Since this group is having Tom as a member, then Tom is having read access to this particular group policy. Now we are having some other access as well. For example, if I type or see edit, we can't do anything. And if we want to link that group policy to any other OU as well, I'm not having that options as well, right? Let's see. Now we'll see, give the modify access, GPO edit. Okay. If I come here, no, I can't link, right? I cannot select link enable or disable, but what I can do, I can only select edit and I can change the something if I want to. Let's try G thing, we try local user, my name, okay, apply, okay. So that is also good idea to delegate the permission to your colleague so that they can manage at least a small task to just save your time. So now I can edit. If I give the edit access, let's see what we do if we say GpoApply. Oh, so you will also add the group here under the security filtering by using this method. Here you can just add the particular group under the security filtering where group policy need to be applied. Let's try if we can add more than one group. Okay, let's try this group only, comma. Okay, let's try. I never tried this. Set permission cannot convert. Okay. So we can't add multiple groups simultaneously as we saw, but we can just run multiple commands in the multiple ways. Okay, like this. For example, I ran this. Here I can add another group, or here I can add another group. Let's play. Node unity group 1. Okay, 2. So here we can say 1. Here we can say 2. Let's see. That is also good idea to use the PowerShell to add the computers under security filtering. Um, and you can also add the group under the security filtering by using this method loop. What you need to do, whatever group you need to add under the security filtering of particular group policy, first you need to add that groups here, security group, and that will be the name of a group policy. Add, you need to use this cmdelete, and let's see, here nothing, two groups only. Once we run this, we will see that is also easy way to manage the security filtering of particular group policy. Okay. You can see the change here as well. So that we were talking about apply group policy. Now we will see how we can give the modify access to particular group. Okay. Set-GP permission read GPU access. Target name is, we will take this name G-HR because Tom is a member of this group. Okay. GpoApply. We can see we have already tried GpoEdit. Now we will give this access. Here I can edit . and I can, it is already linked. I can no, I can't delete this from here. Let me just take a log off and log in. Okay, it is only showing. I can manage the security filtering. Let's see. One, I can add the group here. I can edit the applic group policy. I can't link. So after providing that access to particular group on particular group policy, I can manage or Tom can manage that particular group policy. Tom can edit, Tom can modify the security filtering for the particular application. That is also a good idea to provide the delegation like this so that the person who is not having domain admin access can support you and save your time. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.